Greetings, Earthlings and Space Monkeys. This is Trip on Two Wheels, and welcome back to the channel. Now, today is a day of thanks for me. I want to thank each and every one of you folks for what this channel is doing and has done lately, and hopefully will do in the future. We are approaching 1,500 subscribers, 140,000. Am I going to get killed here? I hope not. 140,000 views, and I owe it all to you folks, each and every one of you. Without you subscribers and viewers, there would really be no channel here, and I just can't tell you how pleased I am with how things are going. And to thank you all, I am going to have a giveaway, and I'm going to tell you about that here in just a minute. The giveaway is sponsored in part by Kawasaki of Universal City in Universal City, Texas. They are, I believe, the only family-owned Kawasaki-only dealership left in the country. So they are worth supporting. They are good folks, and they were kind enough to help me with this giveaway that I'm about to mention. So I am going to give, I say I, but myself and Kawasaki of Universal City are going to give away to one random winner out of the first 5,000 subscribers to this channel a free Shoei RF-1200 helmet. Now, why should you be excited about this helmet other than the fact it's worth between $550 and $700, depending on which helmet you choose. And you can choose any helmet you want as long as it's an RF-1200, any color, any size, and they make some very cool looking helmets. Why should you be excited about this? Well, I don't know if you know this or not. You should. Shoei is probably one of the top 2 or 3 helmet manufacturers in the world as far as quality goes. Very good helmets. The RF-1200 is a little bit smaller than your average helmet. It's lighter. It's made of very strong, lightweight materials. Shoei helmets are incredibly quiet. They're incredibly safe. This particular helmet is DOT certified and Snell certified. It's a full-faced helmet. It comes with a pin lock insert, a breath guard, a chin curtain, and a helmet bag. And it's got a 5-year warranty on it. Great helmet, and I hope you win. So how do you win? Well, if you're already subscribed to this channel, you are already entered into the drawing. Once this channel hits 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to take and draw one random winner. Now, if you see this video and go, oh my goodness, he's already gotten to 5,000 subscribers, that's no big deal, because I've already had 2 giveaways so far, and I'm going to have more. So if I have a giveaway for the 10,000 or the 15,000 or the 20,000 subscriber, everybody who's already subscribed is automatically entered into that drawing as well. So here's what you got to do. First thing you got to do is find that red button, that subscribe button. Go down and click on it. Click on it now. Don't wait. Next thing you've got to do is hit the notification bell so I can get a hold of you. And then finally, you've got to set your subscriptions to public. If you don't and you leave them private, I can't tell that you subscribed, and there's no way that I can pick you to win. And that would be a shame to subscribe and not have a chance. So why am I doing this? Well, again, I'm just thrilled with the success this channel is having. And to be honest, the more subscribers I get, the more views I get, the bigger the channel gets, the more YouTube gets behind the channel. They tend to favor channels that are growing, the channels that are bigger, and the more that this channel is supported by YouTube, the more ability I have to bring you more videos, better content, and of course more giveaways. So I'd like to thank Kawasaki of Universal City. I'd like to thank each and every one of you subscribers and viewers, and encourage those of you who haven't subscribed to please do so now. Again, as soon as we get to 5,000 subscribers, we're going to pick a random winner. I hope it's you. Thank you for everything you've done for the channel, for Trip on Two Wheels. I can't say enough. And I guess all I'll say now is this is Trip on Two Wheels, and until next time, thank you, ride safe, and ride often. Good luck. Subscribe now.